Cox, Miss Story here in Old Town, Berea, Kentucky. And I've heard wonderful things about Tim Wade and his woodworking skills, but while I was walking around Old Town, I actually heard him working out here, and it drew me in. And so I'd like to let you guys watch him today as he turns a snowman.
Yes.
Yeah?
Okay. All right, here's what we're hoping for today. This is a snowman that I do for demos. Okay, it's a little short guy, but people seem to like it. Tourists love it. They take them with them. So what I'm going to do, this is cherry. This is local wood, so just kind of bear with me. I hope you can hear me, and I'm going to turn a little snowman here for you. What I do is I make my first cut, and I rough him out. And he'll look pretty crude at the start, but just bear with me here, and hopefully in about 5 minutes we'll have a snowman. My tool's a little dull today, but we'll make it work. The louder the sound that you're hearing, the more pressure I'm giving. That's his bottom, that's his middle, and we're going to go for his head here. Like I said, I probably needed to sharpen this before we did this, but I think hopefully you'll get to see the idea. I hope you can imagine one appearing here. That's a very crude pass, but what I do is I'm going to finish him up here, and then I'll go back and refine him a bit perhaps. Right now I'm just hogging away material, get rid of everything that don't belong. That snowman is in there. I just got to set him free, so to speak. Would be much easier if my gouge was sharp. Alright, that's a crude attempt right there, so let me go back and refine him now. Now I'm going to really kind of make him look better, hopefully. I'm just going to take off a very little amount. Get another turning here. I'll refine him even better. And then we'll switch tools. Hopefully you'll be able to see one there. Now I'm going to fix his hat up here. that everybody loves to watch. I'm gonna make him smoke. This is what all the kids like to watch. Okay, so now this is only turned, so it does need to be sanded to make him more presentable. And I'll sand it a little bit for you here. And this is the first course of sanding. I'll go through about 3 grits, but for demonstration purposes, sanding is boring. Nobody likes sanding, so there you go.
Wow, and that was quick. You're right. So just to be clear, this what you're turning the wood on is called a lathe.
A lathe, L-A-T-H-E.
And what were the tools that you were using to apply pressure?
This is a bowl gouge. Like I said, I should have sharpened it before I had done this for you, but it's just kind of on the spot here.
Oh yeah.
So this is a bowl gouge, 3/4 inch. This is what I do 99% of my turning with. This is called a detailing tool, and it actually just gets into tight spots. It's dull too. It should be sharpened, but for the most part, you can see that, you know, they're all pretty much. And I just do these by hand. You know, they're not all exactly the same. They're all unique, just like people. But this part here, from here up, will get cut off. This will get cut off, and he'll be a little snowman.
And we'll go into his shop in a second, guys, and I'll show you some of the finished snowmen and some other things that Tim has made.
All right.
Okay, Hawks, so here is what Tim Wade just turned on the lathe. This is a finished version, so I can definitely see the snowman. When he was making it smoke, that's what he called it, he was taking wire and kind of doing a wood burning. That got these nice dark stripes in the top of the snowman's hat. So let's take a look around and see a few more things that he's made. When we got here, we also got to see him working with utensils a little bit. He makes all kinds of utensils. He was making some of these. And the wood from trees that grow around here, he does locally source the wood that he uses. Unless it comes from a different place, obviously. An exotic wood he has to get from somewhere else.
Well, that's kind of cool because actually, I need to go. I only passed the railroad car, so it's not going to try to all over the
And I do think it's important, Hawks, that we talk about all different kinds of mediums. There are so many mediums that artists use. Berea is a great place to see artisans working up close in person, just like you saw. And woodworking is something that we hadn't really talked about before, so I'm really glad we had this opportunity today.